like we talked about, adjacent angles are just two angles that are kind of neighbors, is the way I like to think about it, right? They share a wall. If you've ever lived in an apartment before, you know there's a lot of shared walls going around, right? So that's what's going on here with angle ABC. Now, something important to point out is adjacent angles are not always bisected. Do these two angles look like they're the same size? Let me ask this. If this was a piece of pizza and this was a piece of pizza, do they look like the same size slice of pizza?
No.
No. Right? This one looks much, much bigger. So we've got two angles here. Technically we have three. We've got the big one and then the two adjacent ones that make up the big one, right? So one of the angles that we have is ABD. I'm going to color in ABD in yellow. That's this slice of pizza right there. All right. What angle measure is angle ABD? How many degrees is ABD? What does the problem tell us? 2x plus 3. What can I call my other angle, my angle that's adjacent to ABD? ABC? Oh, good. Yeah, Alex?
DBC?
Yeah, DBC. I thought you had a question. My bad. So I'm going to color that one in pink. What's my angle measure for angle DBC? 5x plus 7. Thank you. Now when I put these two adjacent angles directly next to each other, where they share the segment BD, what can I name the entire angle that I'm looking at? ABC. Give me a thumbs up. You agree with Chloe? ABC. Good. Do you guys remember how to name angles?
No. Wait. No. Yes. No.
So an angle that has 3 points, right? Look at this yellow one, for example. I have A is one of my endpoints, B is my vertex, and then D is my other endpoint. You guys agree with that?
Yeah. Sure.
Could I also call this DBA?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the important part of my angle name? Does anyone remember?
The vortex is like in the middle.
The vertex is in the middle. So you'll notice that B is in the middle of all of these. B, B, B. Because B is the what? The vertex. So when I'm naming an angle, my vertex point has to be in the middle of my name. I cannot call this yellow angle BAD. That would be bad. Okay? I do not want to do that. I want my vertex point to be in the middle, just like it's in the middle of my angle. Do I know what angle ABC is equal to? Yeah, what is it? 80 degrees. It's in the question, right? So this whole thing here is 80 degrees. Well, what do I want? I want to find the value of x, obviously, but I also want to find the measures of my yellow angle ABD and my pink angle DBC, right? So all I need to do is set up a nice simple equation. Yellow angle plus pink angle equals what? The red angle, 80, right? So I basically already set it up here. I just need to throw some pluses in there. The yellow angle plus the pink angle equals the red angle, or my entire angle, angle 80 degrees, right? What can I do now to start solving for x? Combine like terms. Thank you, Tia. What are some like terms that I can combine here?
2x and 5x.
2x and 5x. How many x's is that in total?
7.
What about if I combine my constants? 3 plus 7. What does that give me?
10.
Everybody with me so far? What should I do now? Subtract 10 from both sides. I get 7x equals 70. What's the last thing I need to do? How many times does 7 go into 70? There we go. I found what x is equal to. In this case, x is equal to 10. Am I done? No, because what did the question ask me to find now? ABD and DBC. ABD, the expression is 2x plus 10. DBC, my expression is 5x plus 7. All I need to do now is take the x value I found and plug it in for x. I'm going to plug it in right there, and I'm going to plug it in right there. Am I going too fast?
No. Yeah. No.
Okay. Is it? Oh, I don't know where I got 10 from. My bad. Oh, I was looking at 7x plus 10. I'm tripping. So for angle ABD, I took the expression 2x plus 3. I'm going to take the x value I just found, which is 10, and I'm going to plug it in. What is 2 times 10? 20. What's 20 plus 3? 23. So I could say angle ABD is equal to 23 what? Degrees. Everybody see how we found 23?
Yeah.
Okay. Now for DBC, what's 5 times 10? What's 50 plus 7? So angle DBC is equal to 57 degrees. What do 23 and 57 add together and equal?
80.
80. Is that the measurement that we saw originally for the whole angle? Yes, it is. So angle ABD we know is 23 degrees. Angle DBC we know now is 57 degrees. When we put those angles adjacent to each other, we create a full angle that's 80 degrees. You guys see that? Give me a thumbs up, down, sideways. How much sense is this making? Thumbs up makes a lot of sense. Thumbs sideways makes a little sense. Thumbs down makes no sense. Okay. Gotcha. That's pretty much it. The Alex assignment is a lot of this. So if you want to get your Chromebooks out and get signed on to that, we can get started.